This lesson is going to focus more on the responses to the expressions that were used in part 1. I could just jump straight tonight. Me Chris. Me Chris. Me Chris or me nice could mean I'm great or I'm satisfied. For example, how you feel this morning? Yo, me Chris. Or, you want more of the gungo pea soup? No man, me nice and all. Everything is everything. Everything is everything. No, everything is everything means all is well or it's all good. For example, somebody could have simply asked you, how you doing? And you reply, everything is everything. Or, you wash my car, vacuum it, polish it, clean it out, nice. Oh, me go thank you. Don't worry yourself, man. Everything is everything. Me there, me there, yeah. Me there is like, I'm just okay. Maybe you're not in the best of moods, maybe nothing big and exciting is happening in your life, so me there. For example, boy, will you just sit down and look out of the window, so? How you do? Why, me just there. Me a go on easy. Me a go on easy. Me a go on easy or me a take a rough life easy. Me just a go on easy. All of those things basically mean I'm just taking it easy. I'm not gonna get worked up over a certain situation. I'm just relaxing, you know. I'm not gonna get all flustered or upset. For example, why no you lose a job, how you feel? Well, me just a go on easy, you know. Me just a take a rough life easy. Or, yo, the brother they diss you in out order. Yo, you not deal with it. No man, just cool. I easy, me just a go on easy. Me no depend nothing. Me no depend nothing. Me no depend nothing means I'm not doing anything. Nothing is going on. You know, more than likely in the context like things are not working out too well for me. For example, yo, you start school yet? You're working? What you up to? Boy, me no depend nothing right you now. Nothing nah go on. Nothing nah go on. The expression nothing nah go on kind of has a similar meaning to me no depend nothing in the sense that I'm not up to anything. I'm not doing anything. However, it also has a literal meaning in the sense that it means nothing is going on. For example, so how the job fund? Why nothing nah go on for me right now, you know. Me nah deal with nothing. Me nah deal with nothing. The expression me nah deal with nothing is very similar to me nah depend nothing and nothing nah go on, in that it means I'm not doing anything. Nothing is happening. For example, what you up to, star? Me nah deal with nothing. Everything cool. Everything cool. Everything cool or everything nice really means all is well. Kind of similar to everything is everything, but not quite. We would use it in this context. Hey, how the wedding plans coming along? Everything cool. Alright people, so there you have it. That was part 2 of the lesson. These expressions change over time, so you just have to keep listening, keep up to the times to know what's going on, and stay tuned to my channel. Trust me, if you stick with this channel, stick with the patois lessons, you're nice. Likkle more.